chance to look at her yet.
I know. I can't wait to just see her without her clothes on. Is that weird? You know, to see her little arms and her belly.
She hasn't lost her umbilical cord yet.
Oh, really?
Uh-uh.
How do you feel?
Good.
You look good. You look like you feel good. Yeah.
She's a cutie.
Just look at her holding her head.
Yeah, she holds her head up really well. It's
She's looking at
amazing
the
how
camera.
well she holds her head
This
up.
is going to be a good one. Aww.